Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're going to be talking about the dreaded bombshell that hit the XRP community today. We're going to be talking about that, how significant it is, and so forth. So overall, let's actually refresh the market. So I did just get done live streaming, talking to you guys about what could be happening tomorrow and the significance of the Chinese markets opening again. So with that being said, let's just address what's happening. So we're down about 4.7%. Nothing too crazy about that number. Excuse me. We're sitting at about a $1.8 trillion market cap still. Bitcoin ranging around 41K now. We do see Ethereum ranging around the $2,800 level. We also see XRP around the 87 or almost 89-cent level now, almost 90 cents. So overall, a lot of this stuff that we're seeing right now is just kind of volatile price action, up, down, whatever, kind of sideways momentum. Nothing too exciting, nothing too crazy. But we do see some updates coming with the XRP lawsuit. So with that being said, I just want to show you guys a real quick meme that is Gary Gensler and Mr. Burns from The Simpsons. So I thought this was pretty comical, to say the least. And, it is actually kind of funny, but we do see here Mr. Burns says, "No yield for you." I thought this was comical, and honestly speaking, like, this whole SEC lawsuit has just been an absolute terrible time, right? I can't even believe that this is still going on. From a personal standpoint, the amount of corruption and manipulation that's been going on behind closed doors with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then obviously with XRP is just astronomical in my mind. So when we're talking about these higher ups having this much power, when they could basically control these companies, control what's happening in these markets, I think that power should be stripped away from these people. I don't think that people should be touching crypto. We see multiple countries overseas adopting crypto for what it is, right? And that's decentralized technology that has the potential to disrupt traditional finance. It could disrupt multiple markets. We're talking about transactional volume markets. We're talking about healthcare, retail, whatever the case may be. And overseas, they understand that, if something's working, why try to fix it, or why try to control it? And that is exactly what the United States is trying to do. They're trying to control crypto for what it is, because they know for a fact that it is taking money away from the banking systems. It's taking control away from, these higher up individuals, these politicians, all this kind of stuff. So at the end of the day, they just want their hand in the pot. They want to be able to, stir it as well. So I just think that this is a clear game that we're in. And also, we see this, right? And this is what I've been saying. This is the perfect statement, right? The SEC is very effective at its job, which is to protect bankers and stop regular people from getting rich. If people cannot see that, I see a lot of people saying, well, why would they want you to be poor? Why would they, not want you to make money? Well, why haven't they been, with you this entire time saying, hey, we want you to be rich. We want you to be rich. Nobody that is a higher up in the government itself, they don't want people to be rich. They capitalize on people being poor. Why do you think, credit card usage is at an all-time high? Why do you think, people are going out and financing, a car loan or a house loan? For what it is, governments thrive off of debt and off of people being at these poverty levels. They do. So overall, I think that this is a clear statement. I think that this is 100% true as well. When we talk about, protecting the banks, when we talk about protecting the bankers and keeping the people, from getting rich, I think that is a clear insight here. And I think that this is also a funny meme down here that I've seen. We see the regulator, consumer protection. Does this have FDIC insurance? Already plotting his board seat at the crypto company. Thinks gas fees are predatory. Protects Americans from 4% yield. Enjoys writing op-eds. This is digital sock is a security. I just think that it is funny, right? Because, when we're talking about what's happening throughout these markets, this is all a domino effect. XRP, for what it is worth, a lot of people think that XRP is the black swan event for crypto, where, XRP basically gets regulatory clarity and a lot of cryptos go downhill. A lot of people lose money on, those other assets that are not utility tokens, that don't have utility, or that are, regulated and compliant. So, who knows, right? There could be a lot of things that play out in regards to this XRP, news, this XRP case, all of it. So also, let's check out this, right? We do see our digital asset buy was absolutely right when he said the whole thing is an attempt to build a blockchain monopoly for Ethereum. Check out what I found on the Internet Time Machine from their launch. Check this out, guys. This is actually very interesting. This kind of plays hand in hand with consensus and all that kind of stuff, right? We see consensus is launching the Brooklyn project. This project will be our top priority, and we will accordingly shift resources to this project for at least the next month or two before resuming execution of token launches. Have a uniquely opportunity to restore trust between people and institutions. Tokens are built on the next generation globally shared database infrastructure, the Ethereum blockchain, that facilitates trustworthy, fair, and frictionless operations. This shared global computing infrastructure enables tokenization of nearly anything from common stock in a company to a person's identity to a software license to a particular pair, not just model or brand of shoes. At bottom, tokenization is the creation of a natively digital asset that is represented on the Ethereum blockchain, right? Then we see here, token sales or so-called initial coin offerings or ICOs are merely an early use case of tokenization. Though still in their infancy, we already see evidence of the profound potential of token sales. In 2017, teams all around the world have completed successful token sales totaling more than $3.6 billion. Be that as it may, the unique characteristics of Ethereum blockchain technology also holds the key to new solutions. This is funny because we even see here something which is particularly perverse. They wanted to make ICOs only to be legal if they take place on the Ethereum blockchain because of its unique characteristics. They wanted to give Ethereum a KC monopoly on tokenization. The Brooklyn project apparently had top priority for consensus until the Hinman speech. What makes the whole thing so absurd? This monopoly thinking corresponds exactly to Joseph Lubin's statement that the SEC would not regard Ether as a currency but as a crypto fuel. This is funny because this all plays hand in hand with all of these individuals taking part in this entire scheme. And all of the things Ethereum, the mother of every ICOs, the platform where 99% of all illegal ICOs take place, has been given the free pass. Holy Mother Mary. This is funny because how could we... Alright, we're sitting in XRP, right? XRP is being scrutinized because Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson sold XRP to ODL customers that then took that XRP and sold it on the, public market. All right, that's a security. But Ethereum, that is holding multiple ICOs on the Ethereum network for other tokens, not also regarding the fact that they held an ICO in 2014 for $16 million, that's not a security though. I mean, come on. You cannot get more of a clear picture on what is and what is not a security and a currency. It's just comical to me. Let me know what you guys think about that. Now, in regards to the major bombshell that happened today for XRP holders and the XRP community, that is this. So what we have been pretty much waiting for this entire time just got denied. This is basically those documents reflecting the SEC's trading. This is in regards to XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. It got denied. I mean, I don't know. I mean, this is just funny because this entire time that we're talking about, all right, I think that we're closing in on XRP basically getting this W. Every single time that we get close, we just get thrown down the flight of stairs again just to have to reclimb them again. This is just comical to me. We also see here Mr. Intuitive pretty much commenting on this. Okay, so they may not have that documentation. SEC be like, whatever, I'll do what I want. It's just funny. In my opinion, we even see here James K. Fallon commenting, the court directed the SEC to provide defendants any documentation supporting SEC's counsel statements during the August 25th, 2021 meet and confer that after the formal order of investigation was issued as to Ripple on March 9th, 2019, SEC employees could no longer trade XRP. So overall, after March 9th, 2019, SEC employees couldn't trade XRP anymore, so maybe they wouldn't have that in their documents. But I don't know. I think overall, when we're talking about this, this obviously is a big bombshell. This is a big L for XRP communities, for the XRP community and XRP in itself, and also Ripple. So when we're talking about this, this could have been a very, very clear image to whether we are getting a settlement or not. I think that this continues on a little bit longer. I still think that Ripple will win this lawsuit. I just think that this sets us back a little bit. I don't like this. It is what it is, though. We have to kind of just sit here a little bit on it. Now, overall, we do see here as well, Coinbase CEO says SEC wasn't, creating level playing field. How big of a surprise that is, right? The SEC has not been fair at all this entire, time, especially in regards to XRP, in regards to the Coinbase things, in regards to yields. I just think that we need to see something happen in regards to the SEC not having, a role in crypto. I don't think that they should even be playing a part in it at all, because this entire time, they have not been able to accept any sort of loss in court. If there was, the XRP community and Ripple themselves, we pretty much were able to realize when we took an L. The SEC, on the other hand, they fought the entire way through every single time that, it looked like they had an L, even in regards to when they were commented on by the judge. When Judge Nepron said, listen, you keep repeating the same thing, and it's going back and forth, right? They cannot accept a loss right now. They also cannot accept the fact that, they'll most likely lose this lawsuit. I strongly believe that they still will lose this lawsuit. This entire time, they have not been playing fair at all. They want Ripple to pretty much, bring these documents to case and actually say, hey, we did this, we did that, whatever. Here's the proof. But every single time that we want documents, we get denied. Every single time. They have denied every single, aspect of this case where we wanted documents, we wanted this, we wanted that. It's all been denied. So when we talk about, is this case fair for the XRP community? Is this case fair for Ripple? Absolutely not. It honestly looks like the SEC is getting special treatment throughout this entire case. I'm not going to say that it's 100%. I'm just going to say it's my opinion overall, but I'm just saying that's what it kind of looks like. But overall, we have to wait a little bit longer, right? Now we got this denied. A lot of things are happening with the SEC in regards to Coinbase. Even Brian Armstrong, who is the CEO at Coinbase and also the co-founder, he even posted this saying the U.S. is losing the global race to decide the future of money. I don't think that the U.S. is aware there is a race. Also, in regards to this, right? When we're talking about innovation happening in digital currencies, in the digital aspect of finance, in the digital aspect of the future of all currencies and finance, they are losing. They are stifling innovation by going after XRP, by making sure this XRP lawsuit, continues on for months, for even, at this point, we are almost 10 months in. Almost 10 months into this lawsuit without any, any sort of resolution. There hasn't been nothing happening in regards to this lawsuit. It's always deny, push the dates further. We are almost in October now. Okay? This lawsuit has been around since December of 2020. We are coming up on a year. I just want to see something happen in regards to this lawsuit where we get groundbreaking evidence on either side, Ripple or even or the SEC, just so that we could kind of get ahead of this lawsuit already and just move on. But overall, with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys don't want free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night, wherever you guys are on this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out.